Ruby with the second blog of my pump panel simulator. So last time I've ended with this version in the previous video, and as you will see now, I've made some adjustments in the UI. I kind of like the panel look now, and mainly I've worked on the pump controller, the computer, to make it like a real engine. So I've duplicated the buttons. Right now the pump is running idle, but I don't have any pressure because I don't have any contents in the pump. The water tank is empty, and I didn't have a hydrate connected, which I do now. You see, the moment I connect the hydrate, I have intake pressure. If I disconnect it, pressure is dropping. It's going back to 0. And now that I have intake, I can ref the engine pump. It's now on RPM mode. So if I add some RPMs, you see slowly that some pressure will rise. Or I can put it in the pressure mode with the mode button. You see the bar is now in red, and I can add pressure or remove pressure that way. If I put it on 20, I can open and discharge. If I open discharge completely, I've got 20 on discharge 2 now. And normally if I should remove the intake, I should lose my pressure. Let's test that one. I remove my intake. So I know next time I will add some damage model that the pump, if it doesn't have any intake, will heat up and eventually take some damage. But from now it just keeps running without intake, what it shouldn't be. But you see, if I adjust the pump without any intake, it goes in safe mode, it goes back to the RPM and on idle. So that's already taken care of. And I can't increase the RPMs without any intake. Further, I need to look for a bit more, again, to the tank, to the booster tank. I have intake, so I can fill it now completely. These lights should go on to indicate that the tank is filling, and then I can use the tank. Yeah, we already have 25%. And if I now remove the intake, I can close this valve again and use the tank to pump. I should also be able to get some pressure to my intakes, so that's working also. I think next time I will look at the radio system, so that you can radio to your fire engine, to charge the hydrants, and also I need to add some readouts from the pump RPM and the pump temperature for the damage model. Thank you very much for watching.